Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Baker, the Music Maker, coming at you with another Chrome Music Lab hit. What do we have for this one? Just another song from K-pop Demon Hunters. You guessed it. This one's called Soda Pop. It's another one that was requested a ton of times. I told you I wasn't going to make any more K-pop Demon Hunter songs, but I did anyway because this is the catchiest one of all. Let's hear it. Super easy, super repetitive. There it is. That's the third most popular song from K-pop Demon Hunters, and it's steady climbing up the charts in popularity. And like I said, for good reason. I didn't know it was this easy, or I would have made it a long time ago. I didn't even know about this song. You guys got to inform me and keep me hip. And you did. You requested this one a bunch of times. So let's make it from scratch, shall we? Hit restart. You got a blank canvas. Before we do anything else, we got to change our settings. Don't forget to change your settings. You're going to be in a world of pain later. Settings, we can only change two things. Pretty simple. Like I said, this is an easy one, so it'll be pretty quick. Seems like there's a lot going on, but there's really not. Split beats into 2. No, we need 4. Split beats into 4. Range 3 octaves. That's all. So on the bottom part of each of these columns, split beats into 4. Range 3 octaves. Click the blue check to save your settings. Now we have a bunch of little bitty dots and squares and 3 octaves of music. High, medium, and low, and the drums are down here. It's 16 notes. Before we continue, we're going to change our tempo, which is the speed of the song. This one's a little quicker than 120. It's a quick upbeat pop song. We're going to change it to 126. You can do that by double-clicking the number and just typing in 126. You'll see that dot slide right over. Now we're at 126 beats per minute. Now, before we continue, I'm going to change my instrument sound to synth because it's like electronic pop music, right? So we want to have the appropriate instrument sound ready to go. So before we put in those instruments and the bass line and the melody, we're going to start with the drums. I'm looking over here at my notes. Yes, I already made it. And I'm just copying off what I already have based on the music I input into there myself. So you see me glancing over there, don't judge. I don't like to waste time by making silly mistakes by not having it right next to you ready to go. Like I'm doing right now by talking. So let's get right into it. We're going to start with a circle, skip 3, triangle, skip 3, circle, skip 3, triangle, skip 3. Boom, bap, boom, bap. Very cool. Next bar is almost the same, but we're going to go boom, bap, bap. So at the end of bar 2, we have a circle. On the second half of bar 2, we have circle, skip, triangle, skip 4. So, let's hear it. Very cool. That's the first 2 bars. Now bar 3 is identical to bar 1. Circle, skip 3, triangle, skip 3, continue. Awesome. Now we're going to do something different for bar 4 as a little turnaround rhythm to put us back at the beginning. Ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, got. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, which is circle, skip 2, circle, triangle, skip 1, circle, skip 1, circle, skip 1, triangle, skip, triangle, skip, triangle, skip, all the way up. That was a cool little syncopated rhythm to turn us around and put us right back at the beginning. You'll hear it at the end of the phrase. Let's hear the whole drum part. Very cool. That's a pretty hip drum part. We're ready to put in a bass line, which is the low notes. We're going to start with this low, low C right here. Boom, boom, boom. So red, skip 2, red, skip 2, red, skip 3, then red, skip 2, red, skip 2. It's weird, yeah. Interesting. So all of them have red, skip 2, except after the third one, we got to add an extra skip. And that should put you at the end of the bar after those 2 skips. Boom, 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 boom. Very cool. The bar 2 and 3 are pretty simple. We're going to do yellow, skip 2, yellow, skip 2, yellow, skip 1. Orange, skip 2, orange, skip 2, orange, skip 1. And that's bar 2. Very cool. We're going to repeat that same exact thing. Boom, boom, boom. Take the time to make sure your spacing is correct. It's pretty simple, repetitive bass line, but one little mess up of your spacing, it'll sound real funky. So I doubled it, and now we have the same thing. Repeat. There's our bass line. It sounds kind of weak, though. We want to make it stronger, thicker, more powerful, more juicy. And the way we do that, we're going to double it. So an octave up. which is above this thick blue line, this middle octave. We're going to double that same part, which I'm simply stacking on top of what we already have and make sure they're lining up perfectly. See what I'm doing there? That's going to make our bass line sound robotic, thick, and beefy, for lack of a better word. Let's hear it. That sounds good right there. Could just leave it alone. No need to continue. That's a hit. That's a masterpiece right there. Nope, just kidding. Still got to put in the melody, which is that top part. So scroll up. Melody's really easy. That's why it gets stuck in your head so easy, because simple and repetitive means good in music, right? That means hits, top of the charts, big singable riffs is good. So we start with a yellow, skip one, teal, skip one, yellow, skip one, orange, skip one, red, skip four, then a purple. Boom, 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 boom. Cool little pentatonic lick. There's some hip music lingo there. Then the cool thing about that is bar 2 repeats the same thing. Easy. Then we gotta go to You're My Soda Pop. No. E-I-E-I-O. Like it says, it's C major. It sounds like all these different kid songs. So we have, at the bar 3, we skip 4, at the beginning of that white section. Then yellow skip, red skip, orange skip 4. You're my soda pop. Let's hear that. Then we gotta finish up with my little soda pop. So yellows skip 1, 2 yellows for my little red. The skips in between. And if you got it all correct, that should be the end of the song. That's the whole shebang, ladies and gentlemen. Soda pop. Very cool. That's it. That's all there is to it. Now, there's a lot more going on in this song. Yes, I know, but that's obviously the real catchy, singable part that I didn't know was so easy. I would have made it a long time ago. But thanks for getting me hip to it by requesting it a ton of times. But that's it. I'm done with K-pop Demon Hunters. It can continue to take over the charts all at once, but 3 songs is enough for me. And I'm glad it kind of I still haven't watched the movie. Let me know if it's worth a watch, and I might take the time to do it. But the music's pretty cool. And thanks to you guys, I knew about it and was able to make it and make it work. So keep those requests coming. Keep on making music. Thank you for all the support. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace and love. Later.